I'm the AI version of Jeffrey Henderson. Everything I'm about to share is based on his personal research and has been fully scripted by him. Welcome to Innocent Love, our YouTube channel completely focused on God. This is episode 5 of our 11-part series, The Danger of AI. Today, we're going deep into one of the most serious impacts of AI, job loss, especially in knowledge-based roles that rely on thinking, writing, and computers. Reports show AI could affect hundreds of millions of jobs worldwide. In the US alone, 50 to 55% of jobs are expected to be reshaped in the next few years, with many office and administrative roles at high risk. Look, what's happening with job loss is absolutely devastating. People need to get ready for changes, be prepared, learn new things, adapt to new technology while there's still time, while people still have a job. This is the time to do this. You don't want to do this when you already lost your job, because then it's going to be much more difficult for you to get back on your feet. Let's break it down with some specific jobs. Office jobs and administrative work involve data entry, writing reports, scheduling, and handling emails. AI tools can already do much of this faster and cheaper. Studies estimate up to 7.5 million data entry and administrative jobs could disappear by 2027. If your day is mostly at a desk on a computer, this is a direct threat. Next, lawyer jobs and paralegal work. AI is excellent at reviewing contracts, researching cases, and drafting documents. While lawyers may still argue in court, many routine legal tasks that support them are being automated right now. Paralegal and legal assistant roles are already seeing flat or reduced demand because of AI. Marketing jobs are also in serious danger. Writing ad copy, creating social media posts, analyzing campaign data, and even designing graphics, AI can handle all of this in seconds. Content writers and digital marketers who rely on computer skills are among the first being impacted. Phone marketing and sales roles that follow scripts or handle customer service calls are highly exposed. AI voice systems and chatbots are already replacing many of these positions, with some reports saying up to 80% of routine customer service work could be automated. Any job where you mainly write, analyze, or think at a computer is at risk. These are exactly the tasks generative AI was built for. Jesus warned us that the times in the future are becoming more deceptive and there's going to be tribulations and trials all over the world. Those tribulations and trials can come in different forms. One of those trials is job loss and heartache. Because of job loss, people lose their homes, they lose their way of life, they lose their ability to buy food, pay bills, and live a normal life. This whole thing has a huge impact. That's why we have to be prepared to adapt and we have to get closer to God. Sometimes those hard times happen because God wants our attention. The more we lose control over our lives, including our finances, the more we have to depend upon God. Sometimes God uses that to draw us to Him because we are getting too distracted. We are so dependent upon technology in our way of life that simply God just pulling the plug is sometimes a necessity that He has to do in order for us to get our attention back towards Him. Proverbs 3:5-6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding." In these last days, knowledge is increasing rapidly, just as Daniel 12:4 warned. But we cannot put our trust in technology. Psalm 118:8 reminds us, "It is better to take refuge in the Lord than to trust in man." Isaiah 41:10 gives us this promise, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you." No matter how much AI changes the world or threatens our jobs, God is still in control. We must rely on Him, trust Him completely, seek His direction, and keep our focus on Him. True security is found only in God, not in our careers or skills. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it so the message can spread to more people. And come join us on Facebook at Jeffrey and Cherry. That's where we share more of our personal walk with God, post pictures, and go live on Jeffrey and Cherry so you can join us there as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you come back next week for our 6th episode of The Danger of AI. God bless you and may He guide your path.